For those who are not familiar with Delivety, it is a powerful all-in-one online food ordering management system designed to boost the efficiency of your food delivery operations, from order taking to food preparation, and from dish assembly to order delivery. Visit Delivety.com to learn more about Delivety. This video shows how to use the recipe editor to create a digital recipe library, preparation instructions, and train your kitchen staff effectively. Please follow the links in the description of this video to create your account with Delivety if you haven't done this yet. You will also have to add your dishes using the Delivety menu builder. Once you've created your account with Delivety and added your dishes to the menu, open your Delivety Admin Panel and select the Users section. Here, you can add your kitchen staff, assign them roles, and, as a result, automate your kitchen workflows. As you can see, there is already one user, that is you, who is the administrator on the account. Let's start by clicking there. Your user now has all the privileges and can access everything in your account. If you scroll down, you will see that all the domains, dashboards, locations, and dish types are enabled by default for your kitchen staff as well. To learn how to create accounts for your cooks and automate dishes distribution between them, click on the link in the description of this video. Now that we've finished setting up the cooks, let's create a user who will be responsible for creating the recipes. In our case, we'll refer to this role as the head chef. Now, scroll down and assign the recipe editor dashboard to this user. Of course, this job can be done by you or any of your cooks, and if this is the case, you also have to assign one of them the recipe editor dashboard alongside the kitchen one. You will also need the menu builder role to create dishes. Let's assign this role to the head chef as well. Naturally, as the administrator, you will have the default ability to create dishes and edit recipes. Now let's log in as the head chef user. We'll need the login URL, which in our case is mix.delivety.com/app. The company PIN, and the head chef user PIN. After entering these details, we'll log in as the head chef to explore how things work. In our case, dishes have already been created. You can create yours in the menu builder by clicking the Add Menu section button, then the Add button, and selecting the Create Dish option. Now let's switch back to the recipe editor to create a recipe for a dish. In our example, we'll create a recipe for pizza margherita. We'll add ingredients one by one, specifying their net and gross weights. Next, we'll add the accessories that accompany the pizza and their quantities. In our case, it's just one pizza box. Next, we will enter the preparation instructions in the recipe field. Note that our dish includes modifiers that can be added in the menu builder. You can also edit the recipes for each modifier by clicking on this arrow. Additionally, there's a Complaints button that reveals any complaints from the kitchen staff regarding recipe inconsistencies or any aspects that may not be clear to them. Now, scroll up and you'll notice that the dish's weight has been automatically calculated based on the net amounts of the ingredients. Additionally, you can set the dish's packaging based on the accessories previously entered. In our case, it's a pizza box. Don't forget to set the dish type, as this will impact the kitchen workflow. In our case, it's pizza, and we want it to appear on the pizzaiolo's kitchen displays when ordered, so we select the dish type as pizza. Now let's explore the recipe viewer from the perspective of the pizzaiolo. First, log in as the pizzaiolo. Next, select the recently ordered pizza margherita. This action opens the dish preparation calculator, which includes a recipe button for kitchen staff convenience, allowing immediate access to the recipe. Clicking on it opens the pizza margherita recipe, providing the pizzaiolo with the necessary information to prepare the dish correctly, including its weight, packaging, ingredients, accessories, and the recipe itself. If a pizzaiolo needs to view the recipe for a dish that hasn't been ordered yet, they can easily switch to the recipe viewer. For example, let's search for the pizza margherita recipe. It's readily accessible. Additionally, there's a virtual keyboard available for kitchen staff who use touchscreen KDS terminals or tablets. For security reasons, a pizzaiolo has access only to the recipes for dish types assigned to them by the administrator. Administrators can assign dish types in the user settings. This example illustrates how recipes and dishes can be edited and how kitchen staff can quickly learn and refer back to recipes if clarification is needed. And this is only a small fraction of what you can do with Delivety. Please follow the links in the description of this video to learn about Delivety.